first graders. So today for science, you are going to be scientists. And what scientists do is they have a journal and they write things down and they draw. So they might write what they observe. So that means what they see, what they hear, sometimes what they smell, and they all write it in a journal. And so that's what you're going to be doing today. You are going to be watching a video and you are going to write down what you see and what you hear. And you're also going to draw a little picture. And the reason that we're doing this is because if we were in school, you would get caterpillars, or we would get caterpillars, and you would be able to observe these caterpillars go through the life cycle. And so I thought it would be a fun way that even though we can't have caterpillars with us now, you can still observe them. So what you're going to do today is you are going to watch the video and then you are going to draw what you see, and you're going to write down what you see and what you notice what the caterpillars are doing. I also attached a journal page that you can print out if you want. If you don't have a printer, that's okay. Maybe you can take some notebook paper and staple it together, and that could be your journal, or computer paper, construction paper, whatever you have at home is going to be your journal. So your first journal entry for today is you're going to be observing two caterpillars eating. So you're going to draw it, you're going to write down what you see and write down what you hear. Okay, so make sure you're observing, and you guys are going to be great scientists. I know it. So happy observing, first graders. I'll talk to you soon.